Hi, so this is the infotainment LCD for Grand i10. For this infotainment you will need to buy this plastic frame which will cover two vents of the AC, and it will cover the hazard light button as well. So this button also the part of this frame. Okay, let's talk about the LCD and the infotainment. This is 10-inch display and has Android operating system inside. Very familiar. We all are very familiar with the Android system. So this is the music player for this, and then we have radio here, and we have Google applications as well, just like any other Android system. And then we have YouTube application and video player, and steering wheel buttons you can control from here. i10 does not have the multimedia buttons in this model, so we cannot change from here. And we have radio, already talked about it. And then we have Play Store. From this we can install the new applications, and then music player again, then navigation, the GPS, then aux. We have aux we can use from the cables over here. This is the USB option for this. You can add the USB over here. The cable from the LCD coming here in the glove box, and we have time over here. If we drop down this, we will get the notification here. Right now there is one USB attached, so it is showing over here. And then we can control the volume button, and then brightness as well we can control. It is a very sharp and clear LCD. And then we have clear memory, Bluetooth also it has, screensaver, and then we have equalizer. We go into the equalizer. We have many presets inside. We can choose from here many, like jazz, pop, classical, rock, news, urban and techno modes we can choose from. And then we have zones. If you click on the zone, we can see here we can control the sound zones all over here. So if I will put like this, then the speaker of this side will work, and if I do like this, then the speakers on the left will work. Same like the back side as well. And if I will put this in the middle, then all the speakers will work with the same amount of volume. And then we have loud separate button. If we click on this, it will increase the volume violently. And then we have so this is the multimedia infotainment of the Grand i10 Aftermarket. And if we go into the Android version, about here we can see some information. This one is 64 GB internal memory and 4 GB RAM, and it has GPS, things like that. And devices, it shows over here, navigation, reverse, and there is camera as well. for the reverse. So for example, if I will put the car into the reverse mode, then the camera will turn on. So this is now in the reverse. So this is showing the reverse camera display, and it has these very useful marks in the LCD. So this shows the distance on the back side when you are reversing. If I will put this in parking or drive mode, then it will come to the main home page again. And this is the time. We can change the time. So this is it. I hope this video will help those who wants to know like what kind of LCD or how it looks like to have a multimedia infotainment system in the Grand i10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.